Hello, this is Mike Brzezinus from Southern Forestry Consultants, and today I have a quick tip on using county parcel data in ArcGIS, and this is kind of within a forestry context. So there's a couple simple steps here, and the first one being you need to find out if a particular county has a parcel data service. A lot of them do, some don't. Um, but you'll see why this is a lot more powerful than pulling down a shapefile or something like that. So this particular county, Collington County in South Carolina, has an app, and their parcels are listed in here. And if you go in and you look at the details for this parcel data, we can get more information. Now, sometimes this may be listed somewhere as a data service, but essentially what you want to find out is something similar to what I'm going to show here, and that's basically a GIS ArcGIS data service, and it'll have a URL like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and view this, and you can see here that this data service actually has addresses, rows, and parcels. I'm interested in parcels, so I'm going to go in there, and that's the number 2, and I'm going to select this URL and copy it. Okay, and I'm going to jump over to ArcGIS Pro. And I'll just show you how easy it is to get this data service in. And this will be real time, right? So if the county updates the service, then you're going to get those updates here as they come through. So there's a parcel service right in my map. I can change colors on it, label, whatever. A better way to do this is actually to go ahead and the catalog pane in ArcGIS Pro is add this as a favorite. And that way, every time you come into ArcGIS Pro and you want to use these parcels, it'll be there and ready for you. So what you do is you go to Server and go to New ArcGIS Server and put that URL in here. Okay. All right. Now it's gonna in this case it looks like it grabs everything, which is okay. You might have to navigate around. These guys have a lot of services on their stuff, but the parcels are inside public data. Okay. Add them to the current map. Okay, so yeah, this way, with this data service being a favorite, every time you come in ArcGIS Pro, it's there, and you don't have to worry about pecking around and adding it manually each time. So I hope this was helpful. What we find is a lot of times people need to know about some land that's next door to land you're managing, and it's very helpful for to get parcels to be able to look up who owns a given tract of land near you, and this is a great way to do that. So here we are. We can go ahead and we can see who owns this land right next to a parcel that we own or manage. All right, thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you next time.